Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change Wix website template. So here you can see that I am on the Wix dashboard. Then you simply need to click on design site. So there is no direct method, but you need to use indirect method to create a new page, and then you simply need to copy all the things from the page you already created to the new page. So let me show you an example. So it will take few seconds to load the page, and once you set up the new template, I'm going to show you how you can copy the things from the previous page to the new page. So you need to wait for a few seconds here until it got completed. So here it is. Once you edit all this, then you simply need to click on this arrow here, and then you need to click on manage pages. And here you can see, like, let's suppose I want to copy home to the new website page. Click on that, and here you can see different options. You simply need to click on copy and go on to the new page by clicking on this. And once you are on the new page, simply need to click on right mouse cursor, click on paste, and here you can see copy of home. So this is a process that you need to follow, how to change Wix website template. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.